Saint Holy today want to give us and purify teaching. Title is True Meaning of Faith. Sam also because infected by mountain-headism, it makes foolish God easily follow low-grade pupil theory to move, including translate the definition of faith as having merit must share together. When have sin must bear together. The one without intelligence shall have to find out what are the sentence problems. Look nice, without any mistake. But faith within definition of truth is mean merit or sin is according every individual merit and sin to judge will not appear the situation of certain saints have merit then distribute for everyone to enjoy, or when you have sin outcome then saints also must accompany to bear together or assist you to bear. Meaning including assist to remove your sin. Theory. Those theory only created by greed, selfish pupil. Just in Thai, because fully God is infected by mountain-headism demon, only easily take those theory as correct. Example, when level 5 shall only get level 5 quality life. Quality life is including pupil, matter, and thing. Shall will not accompany 0 to 3 level pupil same life quality level. Or 0 to 4 level pupil it accompany same to life in same quantity. The PVD specialized get higher grade. And so on, you also must get the same. It's sure not possible, except you also achieve same level. In title before already say, other high level morality or benefiting manner, you are not possessed. Your high level defect, devil manner, other don't have. So cannot let everyone get same level of merit or have seen it bear together. Which is not called fair. Obviously, is called not fair. Or just theory of low-grade pupil. Having proposal to cheat merit or throw sin. Even will lost encouragement toward doing good manner, or lost alert toward doing harm manner. And finally, all get same outcome. For those their mind still not steady, or without her to doing good, or having her to doing evil, she will not good care or morality already. Or violate honor level concept set by truth. It makes someone lost glory, kind of happiness to pride on. Popular phenomena in design association is any saleswoman their life quality already so high. Back to the topic. Others who might not pioneers sure will not learn from you. Even suppress look down you. When your life idea is more better than theirs. Conclusion: if I achieve 5.10 level of morality merit level, then same level of life quality outcome only belonging to me only. Share will not enjoy together even for harm enemy. Completely is destroyed occupied by others. Finally, I only enjoyed by others. Many honor finally no chance to enjoy. Obesity, your sin never achieved 1.5 level. Then wanted everyone to bear together. If no, will feel angry. Especially a high position group will doing something to let everyone slow together or bear together. It's sure impossible. When we having those kind of thinking and manner, it just increase our sin. Quest sin of cheat merit or sin of throw sin. Actually, after MIT true empowerment, case of cheat merit or throw sin same will not happen. Sam, please remember that only become national pupil. True only recognize you is achieved above level 4. High quality only will not appear side effect. Has an quarter word. Little clever only bring empty. Honors only bring honey. When our brain just full of ideas to cheat merit, but morality level not improve, not doing any kind. Finally, your morality level only just at level 2. Then true only will empowerment for level 2 quality life. Obviously, someone think that must honest to behave and don't harm others. This morality is just to achieve level 4, then it's get level 4 life quality. It's more good than first one. This is what I mean. Of course, actually, when this universal real true to manage outcome, the one having little cable rock merit is nearly become wealthy. Other all is slave, including morality more good than this person. When channel will open and title to describe. Today, this title is come to the end. Let Mao and carry.